So now that we have some traffic, let's create our finishing screens. The question is, what happens when the game ends? What happens when they crash? So let's insert another slide, not duplicate. So we have another slide, and this will actually be our crash slide, or crash scene. So let's click on Insert, Pictures, Picture from File. I'm just going to search for the explosion. If you have another picture of an explosion that you prefer, feel free to include it here. And so here's the explosion. Again, we're going to hide the white background by clicking on Color, set Transparent Color, and let's make that a bit bigger. Okay, boom. Okay, that's really big. And let's insert some words of encouragement. So I'm going to head back to the Insert tab. This time we're going to insert a text box. And let's draw that text box all the way here. It's fine if it's not so large as yet. You can always change that. Let's format this text box. It's going to be a bit hard to see. Let's fill the shape with a shade of orange. And let's start typing. Okay, so we have some black on some orange, so that's visible. So I'm going to type just zooming in. Okay, I'm going to type it's really small. Let's make it a bit bigger. 32, 40, 48. And the message is always remember to exercise caution on the road. Okay, it's a bit too big, so I'm just going to change it back to 44 or 40. Yes, one line. I'm just going to center align it. So ensure that it's highlighted. Click, drag, and it's highlighted. So always remember to exercise caution on the road. Voila. So now we have our explosion screen. Let's add a new slide. And this is our endgame scene. And so here we want to insert a shape. Just a big rectangle. And so right now mine is blue. So I'm going to change the fill to black, or I can utilize our preset options here. Again, I'd like to add some text. So I'm going to edit text and type game over. Okay, again, it's really small. So let's head to the home tab and change the font size. Let's choose the biggest one. And that's nice. Again, let's see what text effects we have. Again, choose anyone that you like. And I'm heading with that one. Yep, that one's nice. And so now we have the welcome screen, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide, should be slide 5. Slide 5, we have our explosion, and we have the game over. And so if we head to slideshow and click play from start, what will happen is that if we click anywhere, it will head to the next slide. It pretty much just always goes to the next slide. And so we're going to change that by looking at the transitions. Alright, so we'll see that in the next video.